Hirudinaria has a soft vermiform elongated and dorso-ventrally flattened body, ordinarily 10 to 15 cm long, but a full-grown specimen may even measure up to 35 cm in length. Body is broader near the posterior end and narrower at the anterior end. It is capable of causing great change in a form and proportion, being ribbon-shaped when extended and almost cylindrical when contracted. In a normal straight lead, the dorsal surface remains almost convex, with the ventral surface more or less flat. Skin is moist and slimy due to plentiful secretion of mucus, which helps in cutaneous respiration. Color. Body of leech is brightly colored with characteristic markings. Dorsal surface is olive green and ventral surface is orange yellow or orange red. On the sides there are prominent stripes of orange or yellow color, bounded ventrally by broad black stripes and dorsally by black spots arranged in a series on the second and fifth annuli of each segment. Segmentation. Body of leech is metamerically divided into 33 segments, except the first two and last 7. They also called somites. Each segment is further superficially subdivided into rings or annuli by furrows. A typical segment possesses 5 annuli. Segments with less than 5 annuli are referred to as incomplete segment. A temporary clitellum is formed by ninth, 10th and 11th segments during breeding season. Receptors. Surface of each annulus is divided by fine longitudinal furrows into rectangular areas, each bearing a minute and elevated sensory papillae, called the annular receptor. There are about 18 such receptors on dorsal and 18 on ventral side of each annulus. Beside this, 4 pairs on dorsal and 3 on ventral side in the first annulus of each segment. There are large sensory papillae called segmental receptor or sensilla. A pair of eyes is bare on dorsal surface by the first annulus of each of the 5 segments, which are termed the ocular segments. The 5 pairs of eyes appear as a semicircle of black dots at the anterior end. Suckers. Each end of the body bears a hollow muscular organ called the sucker. Anterior sucker. Anterior sucker comprises the prostomium and 3 anterior body somites. It is oval in outline with a ventrally directed cup-like depression called the preoral chamber, at the bottom of which lies the mouth.